Hello guys, this video is on conditional probability. So question 1, there are only red marbles and green marbles in a bag. There are 6 red marbles and 4 green marbles. Mason takes at random a marble from the bag. He does not put the marble back in the bag. Mason takes at random a second marble from the bag. So complete the probability tree diagram. So if there's 6 red marbles and 4 green marbles, that is a total of 10 marbles. So the chance of picking a red, if there's only 6 in there, it's going to be 6 out of a possible 10. Green, well, there's 4 green out of a possible 10. The chances that he picks a second red, well, he's already picked one, so there's 1 less 5 over a total 9. 1 less total. Red, then green, there's still 4 left out of a possible 9. Green, then red, well, it's the first red, so there's still 6 out of total 9. And if it's green, green, it's 1 less, so it's 3 over 9. Work out the probability that Mason takes 2 marbles the same colour. So that's going to be the probability that it's red and red, or the probability that it's green and green. So the probability it's red and red is going to be 6 over 10 times 5 over 9. Yeah, this probability times this one, and that equals, write that 9, that equals 30 over 90. Green, green, 4 over 10 times 3 over 9, and that equals 12 over 90. We add them together, we've got 42 over 90. You can simplify that for 7 over 15. You don't have to, it doesn't say, but there it is anyway. Question 2. Each day Paul wears either a black tie or a red tie to work. On Monday, the probability he wears a black tie is 0.6. So put that in. Monday, black tie, 0.6. If Paul wears a black tie on Monday, the probability that he will wear a black tie on Tuesday is 0.35. So put that in. 0.35. If he does not wear a black tie on Monday, the probability that he wears a black tie on Tuesday is 0.68. So there you go. 0.68. Complete the probability tree diagram. Okay, so you know that these have to equal 1, which means this has to equal 0.4. This stage here has to equal 1, so this will be 0.65, and this has to equal 1, so it's going to be 0.32. Work out the probability Paul wears different coloured ties on Monday and Tuesday. So it's going to be the probability of black and then red, or the probability of red and black. So black then red is going to be 0.6 times 0.65, and red then black is going to be 0.4 times 0.68. Okay, so this equals 0.39, and this equals 0.272. Right. So we need to add these probabilities together. So we add them together, and that equals 5,662. So it's 0.662. Okay. Next question. There are 8 counters in a bag. 5 of the counters are red, 3 of the counters are blue. 2 counters are taken at random from the bag. Work out the probability that one of each color are taken. You must show your working. Okay, so that is the probability that it's going to be red and blue, which equals, so if it's going to be red, the first pick, there's 5 red out of a total of 5 and 3 is 8. We multiplied that probability by it being blue, so it's going to be 3 blues out of 7, because there's 1 less to choose from. Or it could be the probability that it's blue and then red, which means it's going to be 3 over 8 times the red is going to be 5 over 7. So this equals 15 over 56, and this equals 15 over 56. We add those probabilities together, we get 30 over 56. 30 over 56. That could be 15 over 28. 15 over 28. And we can't simplify that anymore. Okay. Question 4. There are 10 counters in a bag. 5 of the counters are red, 3 are blue, 2 are green. Billy takes 2 counters are taken. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Anyway, so Billy takes 2 counters at random from the bag. Work out the probability that both of the counters Billy takes are the same color. You must show your working. Same color, so that's going to be, probability is going to be red and red, which equals 5 over 10 times 4 over 9. It could be the probability that it's blue and another blue, which equals 3 over 10 times 2 over 9. Or it could be the probability that it's green and then green, which equals 2 over 10 times 1 over 9. So this equals 20 over 90. This equals 6 over 90. And this equals 2 over 90. So we add them all up, because these are all our possibilities, the 3 possibilities. So this plus this plus this equals 28 over 90, which could be 14 over 45. Right. Question 5. Here are 7 number cards. Helen takes a card at random. She does not replace the card. Helen then takes another card at random. Calculate the probability that both cards have the same number on them. Okay, so it's going to be probability of 1 and 1, which equals 2 1, so it's 2 over the possible 7 times 1 over 6. Or it could be a probability of it being a 2, then a 2, which equals 2 over 7 times 1 over 6. Or a probability that it's 3, then 3, which equals, well, it's 3, so it's 3 over 7 times 2 over 6. So this equals 2 over 42. This equals 2 over 42. And this equals 6 over 42. Add them up, and you've got 10 over 42. Calculate the probability that the number on the second card Helen takes is greater than the number on the first card she takes. So this sounds complicated, but you just have to think of all the different variations, the possibilities. So if it's just 1, 2, 3, and the second card has to be bigger, so we've got the probability that she picks a 1, then a 2. Or it could be the probability that she picks a 1, then a 3. It could be the probability that she picks a 2, then a 3. Now these are our only possible or possibilities it could be. So 1 then 2 equals, so it's going to be 2 over 7 times 2 over 6. This equals 2 over 7 times 3 over 6. And this equals 2 over 7 times 3 over 6. So this equals 4 over 42. This one equals 6 over 42, and so does this one, 6 over 42. So because these are all our possibilities, we add them all up to get a total. You're going to get 16 over 42. 16 over 42. So we can divide that, 8 over 21. 8 over 21. Okay, hope that helped, guys. Any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye-bye.